Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just going to explain you how we can create a simple mouse out transitions effect on hover. You can see here a simple text. It is just a heading, and when I move the mouse over it, you can see the effect of transitions mouse out hover effect, right? So let's start our tutorial. So here is our HTML file, right? And I created the external CSS file style.css here, and I link this file external CSS to our HTML file, right? So this is the h1. So I used a single heading on which we are going to hover. Let me show you the output. So here is our output. We can also set live preview here, so I'm just make out live preview. Yeah, see, this is a simple heading in our page. Now we have to write the code for our CSS, so I'm starting here. So first of all, I set the body margin 0. So the minimum height is 100 VH, and minimum width of our height. Both are set as per the viewport. And now display property. So we have to set the display. And this is the place content. Now you can see that now our heading is on the center, in the center of the page. So now let's side code for our heading, that is h1. Font family, position relative. We also need to set transition for smooth hover effect, right? So now we need to create a block so that when we hover, the block comes to this heading with the effect, right? So first of all, we create content. Now to set display property to the block. Position we need to have to set absolute. And top 0, left 0, bottom 0, right 0. So now let's set the background color. So you can see this is the background color, and it covers that entire heading. So we have to make z index -1, so our block will be remain backside of the heading. Okay, so now we need this block when we hover on it. So initially we set this scale x 0. So now you can see that it's disappear, and we change this value when we move on the mouse, move our mouse on this heading. Now transitions, we have to set transitions on transform for 3s and make it easy. So smooth hover effect, we are using transition on transform, and now we need to set hover effect on. Okay, I made that mistake. This is hover, and now we set on before. In this effect, we need to change this transform. So transform scale X, we need to set it 1, so you can see this. But now you can see now that I just used it, so you can find out this effect when I hover on this heading. You can also set the transition at transform origin, that is bottom right. If I'm changing the same here, bottom left, now you can see the effect has been changed. Okay, so this is very simple. Even if you want to change the color of this heading, you can set it like h1 colon hover, because we need to set the color of heading, so we just need to set. So now the heading color is white, so you can find this effect simply. So here is the final output of our tutorial. When I move the mouse over the heading, you can see this simply mouse out transitions on this heading. Thank you for watching this video. Have a wonderful time.